discovered making this series was that nobody really knew what happened. And after making the series, we've discovered we still don't know what happened with them. Nobody
That will
knew.
come in the next season.
That's the next season.
Season 2.
Yeah. So
That one is really controversial.
yeah, somewhere you discover that no matter whatever happened, there was a respect intact. And that was like no one spoke beyond something, and I think that was something heartening.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shall I go to Farhan?
Please do.
Thank you so much. Farhan, I hope a mic is magically near you. Thank you so much. I want to ask you how Salim Javed's work has inspired you as a writer and filmmaker, and then I'll ask you my next question.
I think all of us who grew up in the 80s and were children of the product of films that were made in the 70s, we all carry the legacy of Salim Javed within us. It's not about just being a part of their family. It really is, as audiences, as viewers, the impact and influence of their film on all creative minds was just, it's undeniable. It has influenced my work. When I write scenes, it's not about emulating or copying consciously, but there is a certain darja, for the lack of another word, that was given to the parts that they had written. And every character contributed in some way, had a personality, had a way of speaking, had a moment in the film, and I think that is subconsciously kind of come into the kind of writing that we do.
In fact, a more pointed
In all of us.
In all of us, absolutely, absolutely. In fact, a more pointed question would be, is there a standout piece of advice that you perhaps might have received when you were undertaking your journey to be a filmmaker yourself?
A piece of advice that my dad gave me, he said, we come from a long tradition where sons never listen to their fathers. So please don't listen to me. Go ahead and do whatever you want. So I tried my best to follow his advice.
Thank you so much for not listening.
We have no choice because this angry young man, I think my father is the angry one. So we still listen to whatever he says.
Salman sir, I have to once again start off by thanking you, all of you, for giving us this series.
Thank you for hosting this, please.
Thank you. And I'd love to ask you, the spark or the idea of creating this docu-series, when did it come about?
I think Zoya started this. And Zoya and Farhan came to me, to all of us, and I thought that was the best thing that could ever happen.
Fantastic.
And I believe that they were the highest paid writers then. They're not leaving that position only. Even now, look at this. और ये तो अच्छा है, they didn't pursue acting, and they didn't write for themselves. नहीं तो look at them.
So handsome.
आजकल भी ऐसे दो हीरो नहीं मिलेंगे आपको,
क्या बात है?
है ना?
बहुत शुक्रिया. Ritesh, I hope Mike is near you or it'll come to you. As someone who entered the film industry without any prior connections and has achieved so much success, how did Salim Javed
Used to, we have to work under a lot of pressure, and he was already used to it.
He didn't say it.
You only said, because Marlik's pressure cooker belonged to him, so he'd already come from that background of working under pressure.
Well, I must say I have one of the finest co-hosts with me today, and that is Mr. Salman Khan. Thank you so much, sir. So lovely.
मैं
Reema,
फेंके हुए पैसे उठा लेता हूँ, आजकल बहुत उठा रहा हूँ.
Reema, I hope Mike will be with you soon. Excel Entertainment, Tiger Baby, and Prime Video together have given us so many great stories. Whether it's Made in Heaven Season 1, Season 2, Someone Make Some Noise, it's my favorite show. Yes, thank you. The Hard, thank you for The Hard very recently. I think this is amazing, this partnership between you and Prime Video. So, what do you think this is going to do to that partnership? Angry Young Man.
It's wonderful for us to partner with Prime, Amazon Prime, and it's going to drop in 240 countries. And to me personally, apart from
I know we may not have time to go through all of it, but tell us something about the start of it.
Well, I've been an editor for 15 years now. And when Zoya asked me if I would love to do this, I mean, if I would want to do this, I was like, yes, because it just seemed like a great subject. And I mean, it was much more than what I thought. It was so amazing. It's been quite transformative for me. Yeah, it's been a great learning experience, and it feels surreal that it's happening, that everybody will get to see it. We've poured our hearts into it. We've worked on it for a long time. And I hope everybody can see it and enjoy it.
So wonderful. Congratulations again. I just realized that we've not even shown them the trailer. So I think that's what we should do right now. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं जानती हूँ कि हम सबके साथ इस ट्रेलर का इंतजार तो 240 मुल्कों और शहरों की ऑडियंस भी कर रही है. तो आपको दिखा दें ये ट्रेलर?
Please.
ऐसे नहीं दिखाएंगे, आपसे थोड़ा सा और प्यार मिले तो दिखा देंगे. Thank you so much. We'll go backstage and we'll clear the stage to watch the trailer of Angry Young Men. Thank you. For right now, of course, आपसे बस यही पूछना चाहूंगी मेरे दोस्तों, कितने आदमी थे? जोर से बोलेंगे? बिल्कुल 2 ही आदमी थे जिन्होंने जावेद साहब, अक्सर कहा जाता है कि जिनके हाथ में ये माइक होता है वो एक सवाल हमेशा पूछे तो पेचीदा सा होता है, लेकिन आज ये सवाल पेचीदा नहीं है और वो है ये, कैसा लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सलीम साहब।
ऐसा ही नहीं है, चले जाए, आने वाले पिक्चर भी अच्छे होना चाहिए, इस पे काम नहीं चलेगा।
एक्चुअली हम लोग थोड़ा इनसिक्योर हो गए थे पीछे बैठे, एक एक के बाद एक सबको बुलाया जा रहा है, हमारा कोई जिक्र नहीं है, तो हमें कहीं ये भूल तो नहीं गई क्या? हमें रिवाइंड कराओ भाई, हम भी हैं।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। आई डू वांट टू स्टार्ट बाय आस्किंग द बोथ ऑफ यू कि हम सब ने ये फिल्में देखी हैं, थैंक्स टू यू, ये पूरा जनरेशन जो है वो आप ही की फिल्मों की बदौलत इस देश में हम बड़े हुए हैं, लेकिन व्हाट वाज दैट सीक्रेट फॉर्मूला, आप हमें आज बता दीजिए, दैट मेड सलीम जावेद।
जी,
वो सीक्रेट फॉर्मूला मैं चाहती हूँ कि आज आप वो सीक्रेट फॉर्मूला हमें बता ही दें।
फॉर्मूला ये है कि उससे बहुत से लोगों को बहुत तकलीफ होगी, इसलिए कि हम में तो थोड़ी बहुत अकल थी, बाकी बहुत बेवकूफ़ थे।
They don't make men like these anymore, let me tell you that. जावेद साहब, आपसे सवाल पूछना चाहूँगी कि what is it about your partnership that made it so special?
I mean, ultimately the result, but you see, it was not planned, it was not organized, it was not on a very conscious level decided that we'll do that. It just happened. Incidentally, the first job I got in film industry was with Mr. Kamal Reddy for 50 rupees. Then I jumped to 100 rupees in Mr. S.M. Sagar's film, where I was an assistant editor. Besides that, I was writing dialogue also, because no other writer was willing to write the dialogue of Sarhadi Lutera. तो हम लोग झोपड़पट्टी में भी गए थे माहिम की सागर साहब के साथ, वहाँ एक राइटर था, उसने भी रिफ्यूज़ कर दिया। फिर मुझे उन्होंने कहा अच्छा चलो तुम लिखो, तो मतलब चॉइस का मामला नहीं था, मगर वो मेरी ज़िंदगी की शायद सबसे अहम फिल्म है सरहद लुटेरा, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वेयर आई मेट सलीम साहब। सलीम साहब उस पिक्चर में रोमांटिक लीड कर रहे थे और मैं डायलॉग लिखता था और मुझे इतना परेशान करते थे वो डायरेक्टर साहब और प्रोड्यूसर साहब कि मैंने तय कर लिया था इसके बाद मैं नहीं लिखूँगा। मगर मुझे कॉन्स्टेंटली जो हिम्मत थी और एप्रिसिएशन दिया वो सलीम साहब ने कि आप अगर इस पिक्चर में ऐसे डायलॉग लिख सकते हैं तो आप सोचिए कोई ठीक पिक्चर हो गई तो आप क्या करेंगे, आप राइटर बनिए। तो ये खैर बात ख़त्म हो गई। उसके बाद इत्तेफाक है कि मैं बांद्रा आ गया एक दोस्त के यहाँ और उसके साथ रहता, किराया वो देता था, मैं रहता था। तो सलीम साहब का घर पास में था, तो सलीम साहब के घर जाने लगा सारी मोहब्बत के साथ। एक ये था कि एक वक्त का खाना पक्का हो गया था तो फिर हम लोग बैठते थे, कहानियाँ वानियाँ सोचते थे। एक दिन हम बैठे थे कि वही सागर साहब जिन्होंने सरहद लुटेरा बनाई थी, जिन्होंने हमें इंट्रोड्यूस कराया, वो आ गए और उन्होंने कहा भाई एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी है और तुम दोनों जो है वो उसका अगर स्क्रीन प्ले बना दो। तो हमने कहा ठीक है, कितने पैसे देंगे आप? तो उन्होंने कहा 5,000। तो आइए, मेरा तो एक हार्ट बीट मिस हो गया। तो हमने कहा ठीक है। तो हमने 14-15 दिन में वो स्क्रीन प्ले बना के उन्हें दे दिया। ये घोस्ट राइटिंग थी, हमारा नाम नहीं था पिक्चर में। लेकिन वहाँ एक सुधीर वाही थे जो अभी भी शायद आपके टच में है। तो सुधीर वाही जो है उसको तो मालूम था कि हमारा काम है, तो उसने कहा सिप्पी फिल्म चले जाओ। हमने सोचा सिप्पी फिल्म इतनी बड़ी वो हमें कहाँ काम देगी। लेकिन एक दिन दोपहर में कुछ करने को नहीं था तो मैं चले ही गया। तो वहाँ बात की तो उन्होंने कहा अच्छा आप दोनों आ जाइए। मैंने कहा हम लोग तो साथ काम कर रहे थे, अभी ख़त्म किया हमने स्क्रिप्ट, तो आप दोनों आ जाइए। तो फिर हम दोनों गए और फिर हमें वहाँ काम मिल गया। तो वहाँ राजेश खन्ना से मुलाकात हो गई। राजेश खन्ना ने हमें कहा कि तुम हाथी मेरे साथी का स्क्रीन प्ले लिख दो। तो कोई ऐसा दिन नहीं था, कोई ऐसा टाइम नहीं था जब हम दोनों ने बैठ के तय किया कि अब हमें पार्टनर हो जाना। इट जस्ट ग्रू, इट हैपन लाइक दैट। और फिर तो आपको पता ही है, मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री।
The rest is history. Thank you so much, Javed Sahab, for taking us on that little journey. And there's a lot more in the docu-series, I can promise you. At this point, सलीम साहब, इन्होंने इतनी सारी यादें हमें बता दी। अगर आपको भी उस दौर की कोई यादें हैं जो हमारे साथ इस वक्त शेयर करना चाहते हैं, बड़ा अच्छा लगेगा हमें।
क्या भाई? हेलो हेलो हेलो, अच्छा ठीक है। हम जा रहे थे करता हुआ एक फिल्म के
Thank you very much. That is a full house, as they would say. Houseful का board लग चुका है. And if you're ready, आपकी इजाज़त हो तो शुरू करें. This is a very special chat that we love.
Yes, memories are of the spaces, I think. Certain hotel rooms, the study in our house now, which for my luck is my room right now. The study they worked in, I think it's the spaces, I think it's that A4 blank foolscap sheet and handwriting. That's my earliest memory of it.
Oh, lovely. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Farhan, I'd like to take the next question for you, which is, tell us that one film that you watched of the duo and what effect did it have on you? Any film, like a visceral memory that's never left you.
You know, I've watched all their work umpteen number of times. So be it Sholay, be it Diwar, be it many films. But the one that I think I watched the most that they worked on was a film called Kranti, which I watched, I don't know, maybe like 300 times. I saw that film. It was highly entertaining. I don't know if they will be happy that that was my first choice of Kranti. But no, all their work. I think, I mean, this documentary is aptly titled Angry Young Men because they brought their life experience, their voice, their identity into the character that we've all come to know as Vijay. And that's left like a lasting impression on all of us. But I mean, all of it, their work is absolutely spectacular. It speaks for itself.
Thank you so much for that. Kranti, in case anyone missed that, okay? I'm going to take this to Salman sir. Salman sir,
I just saw an interview of Mr. Manoj Kumar, and he's taken away the credit from Salim Javed. He said that he's written it.
Did he?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we'll have a separate documentary for Manoj.
I think it's very, very honest of him that he has made this confession.
Gems.
No, but it's a fact. It's a fact. He says मैं लिखता था, मैं इनको सुनाता था, और ये फिर आके वही करके चले जाते थे. So but he did write it.
As they say,
He did
it takes a village. So,
That chana zor garam.
which is why I think I had another question on my cards, but I'm just going to go ask you another question, which is, what is your favorite film of the two of them?
I've liked all the films. But for me, Diva, Zanjeer, Dawn, Sholay, अब कितने नाम मिले कि जब हम like we produce a film, I'm sure even Farhan and Zoya must be revisiting all their films.
Now for the question on the card, which is, when did you realize that your father was no ordinary man, but the Salim Khan?
क्या सवाल है ये? अब इस सवाल का जवाब तो कुछ और ही होगा कि जब से कुछ समझ में आया तो सलीम जावेद ही समझ में आया, बाकी के कोई नहीं समझ में आया.
Thank you so much for that. Javed Sahab, before we go ahead and before you say once again that, what about us? I want to ask you a question to both of you, Salim Sahab and you. All of the women on the docu have said, you were brats. You were brats. You were not humble and you knew your worth. Some of those women are sitting right here. Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. It's so wonderful.
No, I must, in all honesty, accept that Salim Javed stepped on many people's feet. But to begin with, those feet should not have been there.
सलीम साहब आपसे जरूर सुनना चाहेंगे.
बाकी खाने के बाद
लंच टाइम हो गया है.
डायरेक्टर से सुन लेते हैं. Yes, I think we'll break for lunch very soon. Namrata, I think this question begets an answer.
Giving hit after hit, hit after hit, hit after hit. And now they have to refuse a lot of producers, a lot of actors. तो वो वहाँ से आता है कि ये लोग अपने आप को समझते हैं कि इनका दिमाग ख़राब हो गया है. दिमाग इनका नहीं ख़राब हो गया था, दिमाग इनका चल ही रहा था और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से चल रहा था क्योंकि ये हिट पे हिट दिए जा रहे थे. और जिनके साथ ये काम नहीं कर पाए फॉर डेट्स और प्लॉट पसंद नहीं आया, फॉर व्हाटएवर, शक्ल पसंद नहीं आई, जो भी कैरेक्टर पसंद नहीं आया, वो उन्होंने इनको टैग कर दिया कि इनका दिमाग ख़राब था, लेकिन एक्चुअली इनका नहीं था. जिन्होंने इनको ये बोला है वो उनका दिमाग खराब है.
Well, thank you so much. Manish, I'm going to take this to you quickly because, lunch.
But yes, there is a lot to be seen. 3 episodes.
Amazon का promotion. One thing I've got to a lot of writers, and so has Farhan, with a lot of writers, they write. Salim Javed thought. They put their life's experiences, what they've learned from people around, what they've seen, what their parents have taught them, what their children, have, the way they've grown up. So they've taken from life and they put it on cinema. The rest of the writers, cinema से उठा के cinema में डाला है. God makes men. They don't want to be men anymore. He makes a lot of men. But in this generation, they don't want to be men. These two here, my father and Javed Sahab, they're men, they're still men, because they want to be men.
Yeah, ideally, this is the point where we drop our mics and go backstage. But there's a couple of more questions, and don't shoot the messenger. I would love for Reema to get in a word at this point. Reema, this is my favorite question. Okay, so this question is for you. And
Should we just do it the other way around?
I've already said mine, which is मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता.
डॉन के दुश्मन की सबसे बड़ी गलती ये है कि वो डॉन का दुश्मन है.
Woo! Yeah, baby. Well done. Namrata.
मेरे पास माँ है.
क्या बात है? क्या बात है? Aren't we grateful? रीमा जी.
जो डर गया समझो मर गया.
Yeah, baby. Ritesh.
I was going to say मेरे पास माँ है, that will also reach the Oscars, but I'll say कितने आदमी थे.
Fantastic. दो सरकार तो सलमान साहब.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप इनका?
Should we ask the two of you what your favorite lines might be? Would you like to tell us your own line? I think that might be a bit weird. Yes.
Now let me tell you that we are going to write now. I have spoken to him कि एक पिक्चर बस हम एक और लिख दें साहब.
लाइन यहाँ से शुरू होती है.
उस जमाने में भी हमारी प्राइस ज़्यादा थी. इस जमाने में तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो. वो देख लीजिएगा. मगर एक बात, हमारे बच्चों ने, सब बच्चों ने बड़ी अच्छी अच्छी बातें हमारे में कही, लेकिन सच ये है कि तो बहुत छोटे थे, नहीं क्या कितना याद है कितना नहीं. हम तो बड़े थे, हमें याद है ज़्यादा इन बच्चों के बारे में. मैं सलीम साहब से जब पहली बार मिला था तो सलमान वॉज नॉट इवन 1 year old. 65. ही वॉज नॉट 1 year old. और ये जो अभी इतने हैंडसम लग रहे हैं, ये कोई अभी की बात नहीं है, बचपन से ही खूबसूरत थे. तो ही वॉज अ एक्सेप्शनली गुड लुकिंग चाइल्ड. और एक ब्लैक एंड वाइट तस्वीर आपके लिविंग रूम में हुआ करती थी, छोटी सी फ्रेम में, सलमान की, पता नहीं अब है, खो गई, कहाँ है. फिर ये सब तो बाकी बच्चे तो मेरे सामने पैदा हुए हैं. अच्छा, कमाल क्या है कि सलमान टुडे ही इज द ही मैन, ही इज द डैशिंग हीरो. ये इंतहाई शाय, बहुत ही कम बोलने वाला, बहुत चुपचाप रहने वाला बच्चा था. जो बदमाश बच्चा था वो वहाँ बैठा हुआ. ये he was a regular seducer. सलीम साहब के घर में जो भी आता था, हाँ, तुम्हें पता नहीं है तुमने क्या क्या किया 6 बरस के बाद. ये जो भी इनका सलीम साहब का दोस्त होता था, ये उससे एक स्पेशल रिलेशन बना लेते. ये बेचारा चुप बैठा रहता था, और ये जो है उससे मिलके घुल मिलके लोगों को लगता था भाई बहुत कमाल का बच्चा है. और एक बहुत छुटपन में इसकी एक अजीब आदत थी, इसके बाल कभी बिखरे नहीं हो सकते. ये कंघी करता था. एक 6 साल का बच्चा भी कंघी करता, ऐसा मैंने देखा नहीं. तो सेल्फ लव इनका बहुत कमाल का था.
Self-love, I love it. So Gen Z, Javed Saab, I love you. Zoya, I'm going to take this to you. Unless Salim Saab would like to say
तो
a
ये
few words.
उस वक्त से थे, पहले से. The way they've lived their lives today is very difficult for Farhan and me to live our lives the way they've lived their lives. तो इसमें नेगेटिव भी बहुत आ गया. उस वक्त they didn't care. Today we are made to feel that we should care, where we should not actually.
Thank you. Thank you.
That comes from.
I mean, there is only one word which is badass, and I said that on stage. Shoot me. I don't care, but that's who they were. Zoya, I would love for you to tell us what your favorite dialogue is. And Farhan, we're back there.
Actually, I'm going to go with what Reema said, which is Gabbar's dialogue, जो डर गया समझो मर गया.
बिल्कुल, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Farhan?
My favorite dialogue, I've actually made a film. I love that film so much. Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है. was my favorite dialogue. But I think to just paraphrase one line that they've used in a film, and that question came up earlier also, lunch kab hai, lunch kab hai, lunch.
Lunch kab hai? Well, lunch will happen.
Mine is मुझसे पूछना
Yes,
है।
sir. Sorry.
Mine is मेरे पास माँ है, वो भी 2।
Can't even plan things like this. Okay, so let me be honest. I grew up in Sion. मैं माटुंगा की लड़की हूँ, लेकिन आज इस मंच पर यहाँ पर खड़े रह के I just want to say thank you to all of these amazing people who've given us the movies that defined our entire lives, our personalities. And if you feel the same way, would you please put your hands together for Angry Young Men that is going to be dropping on the 20th of August on Prime Video.
240 countries.
Can I also mention, it's very rare to have such a strength, such a show of wonderful family coming together. So I'm going to ask our
आपने
friends.
जावेद साहब का प्रोडक्शन तो देख लिया, अब सलीम खान का भी प्रोडक्शन देख लीजिए।
Yes.
कम सोहेल, कम अरबाज, अलवीरा, अर्पिता, कम।
To the best co-host I could ever have, Mr. Salman Khan. Thank you so much. Alize, could we please request the family to step on stage? Thank you so much for being with us today.
ऐसे नहीं बनती लेगेसी जो चले सालों साल, ऐसे नहीं होगा फिर से किस्मत देती है मौका एक बार, नाम फैला हर स्क्रीन पे, हक की कमाई नहीं ली किसी से छीन के, बम्बई जाने मेरा नाम है बर्रा मेरा दाम, अब आई मेरी बारी बरसूंगा जैसे आंधी, I roll like thunder, तूफान मेरे अंदर.
Once again, 20th of August, Prime Video, Angry Young Men. Don't forget, thank you so much for being with us today.